Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another topic. Today my topic is this one. You can see this is built-in appliances. Actually it is brand wise Candy, bottom freezer. This is the refrigerator. This one actually is not making cool. Freezer also, refrigerator, both sides are not getting cool. Because of that, now I'm going to repair. I will show you how to repair and we will go to the next step. Dear friends, this fridge from yesterday I already kept start. I kept the water bottle also here. It's no more cool. Nothing here, zero. I'm not feeling any cool. Also here freezer. I will take the drawers out. I want to show you. You can see, dear friends, this is the evaporator. It is a 3-stage, 1, 2, 3. Now you can see here from the beginning, this is the capillary tube. Here only capillary tube, only these 2 tubes only making cool, that's mean forming ice. But from here to there is nothing, zero, that means not making cool. Now I have to resolve this issue. I will show you how to resolve, because this one as per my knowledge, also our field technician, they know this system we have to flush, because it is maybe oil form here evaporator side, otherwise it is blocked. Because of that I have to disconnect the charging line, also back of the machine, back of the fridge, back side of the fridge. We have to remove the gas, and I have to check anywhere leakage. But here we are not able to find the leak, because I'm thinking it's not the leakage, only the blockage. Maybe might from the compressor oil came up, because of that it's happening like that. Anyway, now I have to disconnect the charging line, also gas line, and we will see. You can see, dear friends, the compressor at the moment, compressor is working. You can hear the noise. Compressor is working. Here also warming. Condenser warming only here only, but dryer filter is nothing. It's very cool. That means the system actually got blockage. The system is blocked. My compressor oil gone evaporator side. Because of that we have to flush, and we will check what is the exactly problem. We will try to resolve this issue as soon as possible. Now I will switch off the power. I will disconnect the charging line here. I will break here. We can see here internally having gas or not. Yes dear, it is some gas is there. That means no leakage. But system we have to flush. We have to clean the system. After that we can understand. I will remove here also. I will cut here capillary tube also. You can see, dear friends, it is already coming liquid. You can see here it is formed liquid. That means no leakage actually. After cleaning system, it will be okay. No leakage gas. The problem system already got blocked. I have to replace the dry filter also. You can see the gas here. It is 600a. That's mean butane gas. We have to fill up the gas. We have to fill up gas only according to the manual. Only 66 gram only. We have to measure before filling the gas. We have to measure in and filling. This filter also I think blocked. Yes, that filter also blocked. I have to replace the filter. I will remove now suction line, also dry filter. I have to join here. I have to weld. I have to install one charging line. Now dear friends, I am going to remove dry filter here. Just here I have to remove here suction line also. This one before somebody repaired. It's not the original welding and everything. Now I'm going to fix charging line here. Now dear friends, I have to flush the system. I have to clean the system because I am suspecting here the evaporator side it is already oil formed. Because of that I have to clean the system now. You can see dear friends, it's too much oil. You can see it's too much actually oil. Here is too much oil inside. You can see it's too much oil coming. Dear friends, now it's okay, now it's clear. You can see here, now it's nothing actually, no any oil. Now I will fix here. Now this welding also okay. I fix here copper and metal. You can see here. It is with the brush I weld. Dear friends, you can see this one. This dry filter already blocked. You can see here. Now I have to fix new dry filter. Yes, I can fix new dry filter, but this one I have to cut little bit because it is long. I have to cut from here. I will clean here a little bit. Now I can cut. Now it's okay. Now I can fix this filter here. This one I have to little bit extend this one. I will take from here. This is heat exchanger, they fix already. I have a little bit extend, because of that I did it like that. Now it's okay, my dear. Now you can see here. Now it's okay. Now I weld here. Yes dear, it's okay. Now I have to fix here capillary. Yes dear, that one also okay. Now we will start the compressor and we will check.